Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A91, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down the notification panel, and from here you should see the Do Not Disturb toggle. Now the position of it might vary a little bit, so keep that in mind, but it should be somewhere in here. So once you see it, you want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings where you can customize it. So number one, you have the Do Not Disturb at scheduled times, so you can set a specific schedule so it turns on automatically on certain days from whatever time to whatever time. And you can see that there's one made for sleeping that starts at 10 p.m. till 7 a.m. You can also tap on it and change it a bit if you want to. Also, if you go back, you will have exceptions right here, allow notification types, you can tap on it. You have different notifications that you can mess around and basically allow or not allow. And then you have allow messages from, so basically whoever messages you, you can allow it or disallow it and set a specific type of group of people that can message you at that time when the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So you have disallow all from anyone, which defeats the purpose of this, from contacts or starred contacts, which is favorites. And calls have the same options as you can see, so choose whichever one you want. And then at the bottom you have also a fairly nice option right here, so ring for repeated colors. And as an example, even if you have not this one, this allow all, so you can see at this moment if the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, in theory no one should be able to call me. But if I enable this, if that person calls me twice within a 3-minute period, the second time around they will actually be still able to reach me. And this is a fairly good way to this is good to have enabled as an emergency case. So usually when there is an emergency, people call you multiple times within a really short period of time, and this will actually allow them to still reach you. And from there, once you have chosen in exceptions everything that you want, also set up a schedule if you want that. You can simply leave this, and schedule will be turning the mode on and off automatically, and you can still turn it on and off yourself just by tapping on that toggle like so. And this will also take the effect of the exceptions that we have set. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.